Alright guys, if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to teach you how to patch a tire. I'm going to use a Black Jack tire kit. This one picked up a nail. So you always want to get air in your tire first. This had 0 air in it. So I'm going to juice it up to about 30 psi and I'm going to pull that out and I'll show you the next step. Pour it out and waste all your air. This kit, here's the reamer. You put your lube on your reamer and you use it like this. I use my pair of side cutters. Oh, wow, it's a long one. I'll turn it, work it. And I'll leave that in there. I always get mine ready. This is your patch. You just fish it in there. And that way, when you pull this out, and you push it in, give it a twist, and nope, that wasn't supposed to do that. And you pull it out. The reason why this popped out, there's a little set screw right there. I'm gonna have to tighten that up and air it up to whatever temp, or not temp, but air pressure you like to run, and cut off the excess. That's how you patch a tire.